ComfyUI is free, open source, and it runs on your own computer. But that first image is small. In this guide, you will upscale your images to crisp 4K with free tools and no cloud. Let's get started.
Image upscaling turns a low-resolution image into a high-resolution one. Normal resizing just stretches pixels, and the result looks blurry. AI upscalers are small neural networks that reconstruct detail while enlarging. In ComfyUI, you get two paths. Method A, one fast model pass for clean 4K.
Method B, tile diffusion, which repaints your image tile by tile and adds real detail. Both are free, and both run on your GPU. Upscaling is lighter than generation. Any GPU that already runs ComfyUI is enough 2 to 4 gigabytes of VRAM. Add 16 gigabytes of RAM and the latest ComfyUI. The upscaler model itself is tiny, only 30 to 70 megabytes. And exactly one folder matters: models upscale_models.
Start at OpenModelDB, openmodeldb.info. Filter models by image type and check the magnification in the top right corner of each card. For this guide, choose 4x ESRGAN, the model from the official tutorial. Click Download and the file lands in your Downloads folder.
Now move the file into ComfyUI, models, upscale_models. One folder. Back in ComfyUI, refresh, and your upscaler appears in the loader. Time to build the workflow. Just 4 nodes. Load image holds your picture. Load upscale model picks your file. Upscale image using model connects the two. And save image writes the result. Add the nodes, connect the wires, and you are ready.
Open Load Upscale Model and select your model. Here, 4x Ultra Sharp, the community favorite for photos, and it restores compressed images beautifully. Note, Ultra Sharp is non-commercial. If you sell your images, use resizing or 4x ESRGAN instead. Upload an image, then click Q prompt, or press Ctrl-Enter. The progress bar fills, and your image comes out 4 times bigger, from 1,024 pixels to over 4,000. Sharp and free.
Want this on every generation? Insert the 2 upscale nodes between VE code and save image. Now one click generates and enhances. Your workflow, your rules.
Want maximum detail? Add Ultimate SD Upscale. Open the manager, search Ultimate SD Upscale, click Install, and restart. This node repaints your image tile by tile, adding texture that a single pass cannot.
Ultimate SD Upscale needs the same ingredients as before: a checkpoint, your prompts, and the upscaler model. Connect them all, and the node splits the image into tiles. Each tile is upscaled and repainted at low denoise.
5 dials control the result. Upscale by 2, the sweet spot. Denoise point 2, add detail without changing the image. Tile width and height, 512 for SD 1.5, about 1024 for SD XL. And keep the seed fixed to reproduce results. Start low and increase.
The result? Method A gives clean, fast 4K. Method B adds genuine detail. Skin pores, fabric weave, foliage. Zoom in and see the difference. Both are free, both run on your machine.
If something breaks, here are the fixes. CUDA out of memory, lower the tile size, or upscale by 2 twice instead of 4 once. Red nodes? Open the manager, click Install Missing Custom Nodes, Restart, and hard refresh with Ctrl-Shift-R.
And if you see seams between tiles, turn on Seam Fix, half tile.
That is the whole loop. 1. Download an upscaler model. 2. Drop it in models, upscale_models, 3, upscale to 4K. Free, open source, and completely local. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy upscaling.